Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm gonna make superb recipe, the tastiest high protein garlic pepper chicken steaks with perfect white sauce. There's so much flavor and so easy to make, so please don't miss any part of this video. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button so you make sure to never miss my weekly videos. At first you will need boneless chicken breast to make your delicious chicken steaks. This is gonna one of that dinner that you make and everyone done just an hour. Hold your whole hand on the chicken breast to hold it steadily. Then take your knife and bit. You need to take a sharp knife, slice the chicken breast horizontally into 2 or 4 pieces. Now take a 3 to 4 garlic clove, place the clove on a cutting board, and then with the side of the knife did a grinding motion. We are going to smash it down. This release all the oil from the garlic and make it even more pungent. Now add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and half teaspoon salt as you require, and let this sit on the meat for about 10 minutes. If you have a pungent marinade, a reasonably tight fitting cover should be fine. Until we are gonna make sauce for marination, here's what you'll need: a small bowl and add soy sauce. Adds a bit of salty and tons of flavor. Now add 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. It's an excellent source of vitamin C, A and K, all of which offer incredible benefits. Now for adds a bit of spice, add red pepper 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Now add 1 teaspoon oregano. It is a great antibacterial agent which fights infections and release from cough. And lastly, add 1 tablespoon vinegar as a tenderizer. It can also enhance the flavor of the steak. Now mix it well. And now that your marinade is ready, it is time to add it into chicken. After 10 to 15 minutes, taking out all the garlic clove and keep aside. We are gonna do a pretty simple seasoning for this one. But again, you can really use your imagination here. And this is where you can get really creative. So this is maybe the most important part of the marinade. It's really important to make sure that you will fully coat it every single part of the chicken. You could also use lime juice. It also helps brighten the dish up. Now once you coat it, cover it and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes for up to 4 hours. After marination completed, preheat the grill pan on medium flame to about 3 minutes. And you should hear the sound when you put the chicken. My pan is getting hot. I like to use a neutral high smoke point oil. So we're just using a vegetable oil here. I don't use fancy oil for this because once they go in the pan, all the flavor disappears. Little advice for you: if you drop it towards yourself, you are getting splashed with oil. If you dot it away from yourself, you are not getting splashed with oil. So lower your heat down a little. Don't be afraid to adjust your heat if you have to. Right now I feel like I have the right amount of heat. I took a quick peek underneath to see that I was brownie. My chicken wasn't sticky, but for the most part of this point, you want to just leave it alone. Let the saute pan do its works. Don't mess around, don't move it around too much for up to 5 to 6 minutes. Now it's time to check. Look, my chicken cooked nice, and even on the surface, what I'm looking for here is that we have a nice golden brown on that side. Look at that, that's beautiful. I feel like that this chicken breast is ready to go. I'm gonna take it out and put it onto my resting rack. I bet it's the best chicken breast recipe you have ever tried. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and please hit the like button. We're talking succulent, delicious chicken steak, not that dry, stringy stuff that you eat any other recipe. For our chicken breast today, we're gonna do a super simple pan sauce that anyone can make. So my pan is getting hot. I'm gonna put just a little bit of fresh oil, not a lot. Now I'm gonna add chopped garlic. I have a couple of cloves of garlic there because I want these to sizzling and get nice and caramelize and brown. Allow your garlic to spread out and cook evenly until golden brown. Sauteing with garlic can enhance the flavor of your dish. So now my garlic are nice and brown. Now I'm gonna add half cup of milk, and you can see it stops the cooking of my garlic, and that's gonna be the main flavor base. We're gonna reduce this down. And by the way, reduction is a really great way to get flavor. Now I'm adding salt. At this point I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt because we are reducing this and it's gonna be way too salty. And here I add 2 teaspoons chili flakes and 1 teaspoon black pepper. For reduction, it's probably gonna take about 7 to 8 minutes to reduce. You'll notice that it starts to get a little thicker and the bubbles get a little bigger. Now I'm adding here 1/4 cup mayonnaise and I turn my heat down a little because I am not want this to come to a simmer really quickly. I'm just gonna mix it up. Look, my sauce is getting thicker and here I put oregano powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Now I'm going to adjust and lower my heat and let this go a little slower. So the sauce is ready and this is what I'm looking for. Oh wow, the sauce looks creamy and it's thick. The pan sauce is done. The chicken is rested. It is time to plate. Phew. Time to show. Let's get there. It is not a dry, stringy. Mop up the sauce as much as you can. By the end of this, your plate should be totally clean. Chicken breast can be delicious. I am pouring garlic honey with soy sauce on top of a steak. As you can see, it's look delicious and scrumptious, which I love because tomorrow's lunch for my kids is gonna be ready. That's right. And they'll be so happy. Alright, I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this. Also, if you love this recipe, please subscribe my channel and like my video.